Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at what's called Snip and Sketch. And the reason we're taking a look at that is some people lately have been mentioning about the fact that the snipping tool may be moving. I'll include a post about the snipping tool in my blog post. So, what happens if that moves or you can't find it, or what are some other options you could use? So, what you could do is type down in here Snip and Sketch. And Snip and Sketch is right here. It's an app. If you right click on it, I recommend pinning it to your taskbar so it comes in there. So if we select this right here, you can see your options. So when you want to start a new one, you can snip now, 10 seconds, 3 seconds, whatever you like. Let's just go ahead and do snip now. And let's just say I want this image. You can see your options up here, so take a look at those. And I'm going to snip this one right there. So you can see you can save it, you could copy it to your clipboard, or you could go ahead and share it. So I'm going to close out of that here. But what about some other things? Let's go ahead. And I really like the fact that you could quickly right click and just say take a new snip. So let's take a new snip right here, and let's just do this image here. Okay, so there it is again. Again, you can see how you could sketch. But what if I want to do a really fast one? Window key Shift S. And when I do Window key Shift S, let's just take a quick one of this right here. That saves to your clipboard. So what's really nice about saving to your clipboard is you could do a bunch of these if you find a bunch of images. And then if you do Window key V, it brings up all your clipboard. So if you have a document, let's just open this up here. I do Control V to paste. If I have another one, Window key V, and let's put this one in there. So you can see all those options are available for you just like that. Now, if I do Window key V, if I want to pin one, so I click on the three dots, pin it. If I clear all, I pinned this one before. The ones that you pin will stay even when you want to clear all. If you still want to delete that one, you could say delete. You could unpin if you want, and then you can see where I say clear all, but it still keeps the one I pinned before. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.